Is there any way to fix the problem of whipped cream not thickening?
Hello there. Today, we're delving into the delicious world of whipped cream. However, we're not just talking about any whipped cream, but the perfect, fluffy and thick homemade whipped cream that can transform any dessert into a heavenly treat. The most common issue you might face while making whipped cream is that it may not thicken as expected. No worries though, because we're here to guide you through solving this common culinary hiccup.
Understanding the issue.
Firstly, it's important to understand why your whipped cream might not be thickening. This issue can arise due to a variety of reasons, like the cream being too warm, over or under beating, or even using cream with too low a fat content. But don't fret, each of these problems has a solution.
Cold is the key.
If your whipped cream isn't thickening, the first thing to check is the temperature. Whipped cream is all about the right temperature. Cream whips better when it's cold. So, make sure to start with chilled heavy cream. Additionally, you can chill your mixing bowl and beaters for about 15 minutes in the freezer before you start. This will help your cream to whip faster and increase in volume.
The balance of beating.
Beating whipped cream is a bit like Goldilocks porridge. It has to be just right. If you underbeat the cream, it won't thicken properly, but if you overbeat it, you could end up making butter. The key here is to beat the cream until you see it holding soft peaks. This means when you lift the beaters, the peaks formed in the cream should droop slightly but still hold their shape.
The right cream.
Another factor that might be causing your whipped cream not to thicken is the type of cream you're using. For whipping, you should use heavy cream or heavy whipping cream, which typically have a fat content of about 36% or more. The higher the fat content, the better the cream will whip and hold its shape. So, make sure to check the label next time you're out shopping for cream. By understanding the root causes, it's clear to see how simple it can be to solve the issue of your whipped cream not thickening. Make sure your cream and equipment are cold, don't over or underbeat, and always opt for cream with a higher fat content. These tips should help you achieve the perfect whipped cream consistency, taking your desserts to the next level. Happy whipping, and enjoy your dessert making adventures!